there might be shit you can't even get to by road, and they're gonna find it. All right, you ever use one of these?
Nope.
Okay, so the staple comes out right here, exactly right here.
Okay.
If you tilt this way, it'll shoot the staple out. So that's about dead center.
Okay.
Let's see, perpendicular, I don't know, 90-degree angle. I mean, 10. It's kind of a feel thing. That one's a little off. That should have been a little bit closer to center. So let's give it a shot. And the good part about standing right there at it is you can see if it's crooked.
How are you pulling that so easily?
Huh?
How are you pulling it so easily?
Push down.
Oh, you push and then pull?
It's a safety. Let go of the trigger. Now grab it. Okay, you already broke it. I just had 10 seconds. Yeah, push it. Fingers off, all the way down. It's a safety thing, so you can't shoot yourself.
Okay.
You know,
Let's see.
blow one through your finger.
Okay.
Great. Great. Yeah, I pride myself on doing 100 and not blowing anything out. Because I hate fixing stuff.
Yeah.
That's the truth
Better
of it.
just do it right.
Yeah. Now if you listen to the sound of it. Yeah, if you listen to the sound of it, it will actually change when you run out.
Okay.
That was different. You hit it like a double tap.
Yeah.
Up, you just shot 2 in.
Yep.
It's cool though. It ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, so
down.
hold it down. Then it won't do that. If you're like half lifting it up, yeah, a little extra pressure. What are you doing? Yeah, we need a great big table and 2 of these. We could probably do 1,000 of these a day without even breaking a sweat.